Is your engine knocking? Don't panic. That knocking sound is just a warning. That doesn't mean that your car is finished. At Makamachi Autocare, we now have the solutions to make that your engine knocking sound go away and restore the performance of your engine. With proper diagnosis, expert repair, and right engine treatment, we can be able to bring that your old engine back to life, making its performance smooth, strong, just like a new engine. Not-free engine sound, improve power and fuel efficiency, improve smooth driving experience, professional handling by experienced technicians. Don't wait until your engine gets damaged. Bring it in early and let the professionals handle it. Makamachi Autocare, we said you smile.